Hey guys, Dan Buchan here, and today we're going to be talking about dropshipping. So what is dropshipping? You probably hear it all the time about this brand new method of making money online without really putting any money up or without holding any inventory. Well, this is what that is. Dropshipping is seems like an elaborate system, but it's really not, and it's quite simple. So if you allow me to explain here, as you can see over here, we have your supplier. So that's who you're going to be purchasing wholesale from. And keep in mind, there are two different prices in selling. There's wholesale and there's retail. Wholesale is what you, the seller, is buying for, and retail is what you're selling for. So your customer over here buys retail price, and you buy wholesale price. So here's how the system works. First, you purchase or you find a product from a supplier. So you can go on AliExpress or eBay or even any American dropshipping companies. So you just find the product. So you find your product and you list it on your web store. And keep in mind, you're buying this product for wholesale, say $2 a piece, and you're selling it to your customer for retail, say $12 a piece. Okay? The next step is your customer buys the product from you. So your customer goes to your store and he or she buys the $12 priced item. Okay, next step is you take that order and you send it to the supplier. So once the supplier has your order, what they do then is they directly ship to your customer. What this means is throughout this whole process, you're not touching a single piece of inventory. All you are doing is hosting this service and driving the traffic to it. You're driving the customer to your store, and then you're sending the order from your store to the supplier, and they take care of the rest. It's very simple, very easy to do, and I actually want to show you a couple examples right now. So, if we go over here, we can see websites like this. So websites like this is it's just a bunch of different niches that they found on Shopify. They're probably using Facebook ads or a different advertising source to drive traffic to. But the problem is it's all there's no niche to it. You know, it's not like moms love this or boho gypsy knuckle rings. You know, they have knuckle rings, they have necklaces, they have Luke Bryan. Like those don't go together. But what I'm trying to show you is that the pieces they have here for $12.95, what they do is they go here and they go to AliExpress where they can buy the same exact rings for $2.85. So what am I trying to show you here? I'm trying to show you here that AliExpress is a supplier, right? The web store is this store right here, Trendy Things, and they're selling it for $12. So like I said before with the two prices, you have your supplier, AliExpress, selling it for $2.85, that's wholesale price, and you have this store who are buying it for $2.85 but selling it for $12.95, which is their retail price. So what happens is, when I buy this, all they have to do is come here, press buy now, and fill out my shipping information, my address, not my credit card, their credit card, my address, and they ship it to me directly from here. So let's see a couple more examples of this. Here's a dog niche dropshipping website. As you can see, they have a couple cool products, but like this $15.95 waterproof small dog hoodie jacket. So if we go to AliExpress again, we can find the same jacket right here for $4.65 to $6.32. So again, this is their wholesale price, and this is the retail price. Here's another one. See, we have this Naruto leaf bracelet, limited edition, free. Okay. Let's see. Oh, well, they're doing free plus shipping, the free plus shipping model. And we'll go into all that in the 7FA Ultra. But as you can see right here, they have a couple tools that I'm going to talk about. But let's see how much they're charging for shipping actually. Check out. Alright, let's see. So you have to fill all this out. Let's do it. See? I just gave them my email address. Did not want to do that. Well, let's see if they utilize it. Let's see if they use that email list. Okay, but you see here they're charging $9.95 just for shipping. And they're purchasing this bracelet for $179. And basically how the free plus shipping model works is they market their product as free, and then they just add the retail price into the shipping. So this is going to be their retail price, and this is the wholesale price they're buying it at. So it all goes back to this. AliExpress being the wholesale supplier. The 3 stores that I just showed you were the web stores where you sell for retail. And whenever the customer buys from retail, you just send it up to your wholesale supplier and they'll send it directly to your customer. And that's pretty much the rundown on drop shipping. Alright, see you guys later.